Hi everyone, welcome back, or welcome if you are new to my Fab Life channel. My name is Taiye Brown and I'm super excited for this Saint Laurent unboxing and mini review. If you are new to this channel, I like to focus mostly on high-low fashion, so that's really trying to find that seamless balance between high-end or designer pieces and high street pieces. So if that sounds like something that you would enjoy or that you like, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and joining my little growing family. Do also check out my Instagram, which is the Fab Life, and there I post a lot of fashion styling and how-to videos, as well as some beauty over on my IGTV and some reels as well. So without further ado, let's get on with today's video. Why you are here, why you've clicked on this video, which is for a Saint Laurent unboxing and mini review. So I made a little Saint Laurent purchase and I wanted to just document and share that with you guys, because I know I find these videos usually really helpful when I'm trying to make a decision myself about a purchase, and I thought some of you might find this entertaining, but some of you might find it hopefully useful and informative as well. So I went ahead and purchased a Saint Laurent SLG, which I'll get into in a sec, but just to show you generally what it looks like, it comes in this very understated typical Saint Laurent box, which is the black box with Saint Laurent written just on there. If we go ahead and open that up, you've got there the authenticity card and care card just in there. Always a great thing to hold on to, especially if you wanted to then sell your high-end items on the pre-loved market, for example. These are the typical sort of things that people like to look out for, are things like the care cards, the authenticity cards. But there in the box you can see is the dust bag. It's a simple black dust bag and it simply says on there, again, Saint Laurent. If I'm traveling, for example, I'll use little dust bags like this for bits of jewelry and things like that. So if we open up the dust bag, I will just show you my purchase. So this is the Saint Laurent monogram card case. It is a card holder, but on the website it's described as a card case in the grain de poudre embossed leather. I went for the black embossed hardware because I liked the matte black look. So it's all black, a little bit more subtle and a little bit more understated. And the leather is a calf skin, so it is quite soft, but it is in that grain fabric. Whether it's a card holder like this, or whether it's a key holder, or indeed even a coin purse, it's something that's constantly in and out of your bag or out of your back pocket. So I expect to get a little bit of wear out of things like that in the corners and so on. And for that reason, I do like the grain leather, which hopefully will be a little bit more durable. It is quite a slim card case. I quite like that. It's not too bulky, and that means that that's going to work well in small bags. It also means, you know, the times that we're living in at the moment, popping out only maybe to the shops. This, if you weren't even taking a bag, then this will slip in quite easily in your back pocket. And it is described as a 5-slot or a 5-card slot card case. So you have got 2 slots there in the front. You've got 2 slots at the back, and you have of course got the slot in the center. On the inside, on one side embossed of course is the Saint Laurent Paris made in Italy. On the other side is the serial number. So I'll just demonstrate that for you. Personally, I don't actually tend to carry a lot of cards on me in terms of debit cards and credit cards, and obviously I'm not going to show that on here online, but I will just demonstrate with a mixture of cards. I've got, for example, like my Harrods reward card and drugstore cards, as well as airport lounge cards. Not that we'll be using that much anytime soon, so that fits in quite nicely in there. I've got 2 cards in there. The Harrods one's black, so it's not so easy to see, but I've got 2 in there, and then round the back you can fit in another 2 like that. Of course, you do have the option of doubling over, so you could actually fit 2 cards in the same slot. So if you are someone who carries a lot of cards, then you've got a ton of options really. And then of course, like we said, you have got your middle slot, which personally I will use for cash. So smaller notes, it does fit quite nicely. and it doesn't add too much bulk to that, whereas the larger notes just folded in half. Actually it does fit in too, sticks out just ever so slightly, but by all means you could use this middle slot for both card and cash. There's no reason why it can't fit both, so that's great. So generally I am very pleased with this purchase. I'm really happy with the choice that I made. I do quite like the black on black detail, going for the black hardware. It just reminded me a little bit of Dior's matte black range. They've got that matte black detail on things like their Lady Dior's, for example, and it gave me those sort of similar vibes. But if you do want other choices, like I said, they do have the gold, which is something that I was toying with. They also have the silver YSL logo as well, and it also comes in a ton of colors. So you've got a beautiful beige color, you've got red, there is also a burgundy, a grey. The only thing missing, I would say, if you wanted this to be a one size fits all, would be the possibility of carrying coins, and there are other SLGs that might suit you better. So for example, there is the Saint Laurent Fragments zippered card case, and that will give you the option of carrying cards, but because it's got that zip detail as well, then you can keep your coins in that. So if you're looking for something that ticks all the boxes, then that might be a better option than something like this. But if, like me, you don't carry too much around on you anyway, then this will be perfectly fine, and you can keep change in just a small coin purse. I do have a coin purse that I use a lot anyway, which is from a different brand. I did feature that here on an unboxing. I can always do an updated video if you would like on just generally how it's worn, once obviously I've been using it for a while. So do let me know in the comments if that's something you would like, how it wears, how the corners wear, and how I found using it. But also if you have any questions, do let me know. I think I've covered most things in terms of the options that are available on the website, what it comes with, what it fits, or what fits in it. And I think that's pretty much it. So my darlings, thank you very much for watching today's video. Please do take the time to like this video, share it, comment down below. Do you like SLGs? Do you use SLGs or not really? Would you really just rather spend your money on a handbag, for example, or other accessories rather than small leather goods? And if you haven't seen my 5 designer picks for starting a luxury collection, then just click on this button over here, and I hope you enjoy that video. Also, I did do a $1,000 plus Selfridges haul, so if you haven't seen that yet, I will link that somewhere here. So click on this button here. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Taiye Brown, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.